So, who knows what day it is today? If you guys know, then you guys know, and you're not gonna want to miss this video.
We go on the beat.
Okay, so if you guys can see, wheels are in, loaded and everything, all four. Next stop, we're gonna link up with Ricky at a gas station and then head to Berkeley to link up with our boy Ty, who's gonna be ceramic coating these wheels. Oh my God, you guys do not know how excited I am to finally have my wheels back in my possession. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to yet another video. You guys can see the wheels in the back. We are heading to Berkeley, well, not Berkeley just yet. We're actually gonna link up with Ricky like I was stating. If you guys are new to the channel, my name's Alex. Go down, hit the subscribe button, but let's get to it. Now, if you've been following along with the channel, then you guys know we recently, well, I wouldn't say recently, but we did take a trip down to LA. Picked up my dream wheels not too long ago. We dropped a video on it. Not only did I drop off my wheels, but I got my wheels, which are behind me, redone. I can't tell you exactly what finish just yet. Not until the reveal. Like, for today, it's really just going to be ceramic coated. Now we're going with my boy Ty. So Ty specializes in detailing and he's actually gonna ceramic coat my wheels. If you need anything ceramic coated detailed, do tap in. I'm gonna drop his IG down below. High Caliber, tap in. That being said, we're at the gas station right now. We're waiting on Ricky. We're gonna cruise out together. If you guys have not seen Ricky's new tire setup, he makes me want to get a drag pack. When he pulls up, I'm gonna show you guys. Maybe we can get some rollers and all, but his drag pack on his 335i, oh man, it's a beauty. Not to mention he's already upgraded turbos. You guys can catch all of that in the channel. Just go back in the videos, check them out. I just hope it doesn't take too long because Ty's probably waiting on us. Okay, so being that there is traffic right now, due to the fact that it's like prime time for everyone on the weekend to go out, Ricky's running a little late, so we're gonna catch him on the highway. So let us catch Ricky on the highway. We can then reveal his drag setup with a rolling shot on the Bay Bridge. On the bridge now, hunting down and looking for Ricky. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna hear him before I even see him, to be honest, since he's got his verbal map. I don't know if it's on aggressive today, but you know Ricky when you hear him. Let's keep an eye out. Okay, we found him. I see him. Wow, look at this drag pack setup. Look at this dude. Who is this guy? Ricky, sir. So Ricky is not new to the game. Ricky is all about power, and you guys can tell by his drag pack. It speaks for itself. The fact that he's upgraded turbos now too, oh man. I don't know about you guys, but I can't get enough of that. That's music to my ears. Tell me that doesn't look fire. Tell me that does not look clean as fuck. Look at that. That is a setup right there. 513 amps in the front, weld, drag pack in the rear. Some upgraded turbos to go along with the whole package. Ricky is doing it right. To all my to all my N54 owners, step your game up. Ricky, you monster. God, listen to that thing too. All right, Ricky, lead the way. Next stop, Ty's shop. This Bay Area traffic is not it. Now, I don't want to hear it from you SoCal people because I know, I get it. You guys probably like 5 times worse, but we're not used to this. Like, it never was this bad. Ricky's definitely punching the air right now, wondering why he can't get a run with this in the traffic. Ricky really be out here. Oh, Ricky really be out here terrorizing the streets of Berkeley. Listen to him go. Damn, gets a tune, doesn't know how to act. All I gotta say is, when Ricky gets a girl, she's definitely gonna know when he's outside. Listen to this guy. Okay, so we just touched down. We're gonna unload these, and then we're basically gonna chop it up real quick, see what, you know, he thinks about them. He doesn't want to be on camera, so I'm gonna be respectful on that end, but let's unload these. Here they are, all 4 dropped off. Basically what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be doing a couple layers of ceramic coating. We're gonna lay down the first one today. Second one will probably go on either later. No, not today, sorry, tomorrow. Ty's right next to me. Give me the rundown.
So we doing a double layer 5-year coating, 9H. Yeah.
Pretty much it. They will be back soon. Like I said, they're at a good place. When these do come back, all I gotta say is we're gonna get tires mounted, then they're gonna go on the car, and a full vlog will go out then. I can't open these up just yet, but just know Ricky is one of the people that knows and has seen them in person. He's gonna go test fit that right now. That being said though, we're gonna keep you guys updated. Stay intact. Tap in if you need anything detailed, ceramic coated, any needs, IG down below. Okay, now leaving. There they go. Just dropped them off, heading out now. Just gotta wait now. So there it is, the wheels are dropped off. I'm ecstatic to know that on top of the finish that, you know, was done over in SoCal, they're gonna be ceramic coated. If you are not familiar with ceramic coating, what it is, it's basically like a chemical, I wanna say reaction, but it's also, think of it as extra protection against dust, water, and any sort of grime. Any grime that might, you know, not destroy, but take away from the look and the finish of the actual wheels. You can ceramic coat your wheels, your car, and what it does is it basically beads up water, so that water just quickly and simply slides off when washing, making it super easy for cleanup. Because like I said, the fact that those wheels and the finish, I don't want them looking dirty or off in any way. Thankfully, you know, shout out to Ty again. Now, I'm no detailer, so I can't really speak a lot or too much on it, but I know the basic principles, and I know it's gonna be worth it in the long run when it comes to washing the car and keeping the wheels clean. So I went with it. I would recommend ceramic coating your wheels if you truly care about them. Wheels are like an investment, you know. You don't want them getting caked up with brake dust. You don't want them getting dirty, losing their finish. I feel like your wheels are kind of like your pride and joy that at the end of the day tie up the look of your car. I went with ceramic coating. I recommend it. Go as you please though, but like I said, it's like an investment. So Ricky did have to dip off. He went to go mount some tires on his work truck. It is Saturday. Even on the weekends, we're still grinding, getting everything settled for the week's worth when the week touches back. That being said, I'm heading back home. Ooh, what a beauty right there. What a beauty we have. Oh, focus. Might do a couple maintenance things on the M, just not 100% sure just yet. It is the weekend too, so I gotta spend time with family and all. But we're probably gonna close it out right there. There's traffic up ahead. Bay Area, it is what it is, Saturday. So that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys are as anxious, as excited as I am to finally and soon reveal the wheels to you guys, mount them on the M and all. So I'm gonna close it off right here, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like always, keep it authentic. Peace.